Assalamualaikum. My name is Ishan. Please subscribe and like my YouTube channel. Wireless electricity. What does everyone hate? Cords, unplugged cords, long wires, tangled cords, tripping on cords. The solution: wireless electricity router. You just directly plug in a wireless electricity router to an outlet and boom, make your whole house wireless. Have a diameter of 300 feet to capture your whole house. How wireless electricity works: once you plug in the wireless electricity router, all you have to do is add a receiver to your device. Your wireless electricity router comes with 20 wireless receivers, and you can purchase 20 more for just $20. Manufacturer will soon offer receiver has an orange. The wireless router will on all work standard 110, 200, 220 volt equipment. How it works? Questions and answer. How much wireless electricity there only per unit? Where can I buy a wireless electricity router? You purchase wireless electricity router from Best Buy, Target, Walmart, and most retail outlets. What will it work with any old cord receiver? Yes, all you have to do is attach one of your four wireless receiver to the device. Is there any danger from this device due to radiation? No, everything has been tested through the United States Center for Disease and Control. Does the wireless electricity router have security?